Well, this morning, gay and lesbian couples in the state of Kansas are now able to say "I do." That's because the Supreme Court lifted a temporary stay blocking the state from issuing marriage licenses. Last week, a district court ruled Kansas's same-sex marriage ban was unconstitutional, but state officials challenged that ruling. Kansas becomes the 33rd state, plus Washington, D.C., where same-sex marriage is now legal. And a federal judge also struck down South Carolina's ban. The state's attorney general says he will appeal that decision.